designed for them come with a child-friendly spring mechanism. It means the blind doesn't need a chain to operate, so removing the hazard. Full fitting instructions come with every blind, but we thought you might like to see how it's done step by step. To fix the spring mechanism, it needs to be inserted into the tube on the right-hand side of the blind. The brackets are designed for side, face or top fixing to frame, wall or ceiling. Place one of the brackets on its location markings and mark through the desired screw hole positions. Use the number 6 wood screw supplied to fix the brackets to wood. For masonry, use masonry plugs. Push bracket A into the star-shaped end of the blind. Slide the locating pin into bracket B, then push into the pin end unit already located at the opposite end of the blind to the spring-assisted side unit. Present the blind and brackets to the desired position. Make sure the blind is level and square. Check using a spirit level. It's important so that the mechanism works properly. If you want to prevent too much light from coming through by having the blind closer to the glass, you can re-roll the blind like this. If you do so, you will need to swap over the spring and end pins and the brackets. To assemble the pull, tie a knot at the end of the cord, then thread and pull through the wooden acorn. Thread the cord through the raised side of the knot holder and tie another knot at the end to secure it. Attach the knot holder to the back of the blind by fixing it with the screws provided through the material and into the centre of the plastic bottom bar. And now to tension the blind because they come without tension. Insert a flat end screwdriver into the right side spring end of the blind. Turn it about 13 to 15 times in a clockwise direction, ensuring the spring locks in place before removing the screwdriver. Holding the roller blind at both ends, offer the blind up to the brackets and insert the right hand end into bracket A. Push the blind with the locating pin into bracket B until it clicks into place. If the blind rises too slowly or not fully, you may need to retension the spring. If it's too quick, you may need to reduce the tension. To increase the tension, pull the blind down to approximately 45 centimeters and gently remove it from the brackets. Carefully re-roll the blind by hand around the roller and reposition it. Take care not to over-tension the spring in the roller. To decrease the tension, gently remove the blind from the brackets. Unroll it by hand to approximately 45 centimeters and then reposition. The blind can be stopped at any level within its drop. To lower it, pull down on the corded acorn to the drop required, then let it rise slightly until the spring catches. It's now locked in position. To raise the blind, pull down on the corded acorn until the lock releases. It will then rise to the stop position. Job done. All our made-to-order roller blinds, excluding the 7-day service, can be made up for you with the spring mechanism. For a little extra, you can also have your made-to-order blind fitted with an upgraded soft raised spring mechanism, which has a slower rise and a smoother operation.